Ever wondered how some individuals amass wealth while drowning in debt, whereas others go broke? Here's the catch. Debt isn't inherently good or bad. It's just a tool. But society, and I bet you too, paints debt as a dark cloud, a burden. Yet, it can be a ladder to financial freedom when used wisely. Some of you might say advocating for debt is irresponsible. But here's the catch. It's not about promoting debt, it's about promoting education, understanding, and strategic action. Because the real danger isn't debt, it's ignorance. Today, we'll uncover the secret strategies of the rich. 8 ways they make money with debt. Buckle up. The world of the rich might seem glamorous, but the strategies they use are often rooted in the basic principles of finance. And now, it's your time to learn these too. Number 1. Leveraging real estate. When most people think of debt, buying a home probably comes to mind. But the rich? They're playing a different ballgame. Instead of just owning one home, they leverage their initial capital to buy multiple properties. Here's how. Imagine you have $1 million. Instead of buying a property outright, you put down a 20% down payment on 5 properties. Now, even a small 5% increase in property values means you aren't just earning on your initial million, but on the total value of those 5 properties. The rich understand that with low interest rates and the potential for property appreciation, real estate can be a goldmine. Number 2. Starting or expanding businesses. Ever heard of OPM? Nope, not the drug. It's other people's money. The wealthy often utilize debt to fund new ventures or expand their existing ones. Why risk all their money when they can leverage debt, especially at low interest rates? Think of it this way. If you could start a business that generates a 15% return, but you borrowed money at a 5% interest rate, you're making a 10% profit without using much of your own capital. It's a game of numbers, and those who play it right win big. Number 3. Debt consolidation. Not all debts are created equal. The rich know this. They often consolidate their higher interest debts into one lower interest loan. It's like swapping out a team of wild horses for one powerful stallion. This not only simplifies their financials, but also saves them heaps of money in the long run. While debt might seem scary to many, understanding and using it wisely can lead to massive gains. But hey, we're just getting started. In the next part, we'll uncover even more strategies the wealthy use to turn debt into dollars. Number 4. Investing in stocks on margin. Ever heard of the term buying on margin? It's a tactic where investors borrow money from their broker to purchase stocks. Sounds risky? Well, it can be. But with higher risks come higher rewards. Let's say you have $100,000 and you decide to buy stocks on a 50% margin. This means you can buy stocks worth $200,000. If the stocks rise by 10%, instead of a $10,000 profit, you make a whopping $20,000 profit. But be wary because the opposite can also occur. It's a high-stakes game, and the rich play it with caution, diversifying their portfolios to hedge against potential losses. Number 5. Tax benefits and deductions. Taxes, the bane of every hardworking individual's existence. But what if I told you that the rich often use debt to reduce their tax burden? Interest on certain types of loans, like mortgages, can be tax-deductible. This means that by holding onto these loans and investing their money elsewhere, the wealthy can reduce their taxable income. In essence, they're making money by strategically staying in debt. It's a financial chess game, and with the right moves, the rich can keep more of their money while Uncle Sam gets a bit less. Number 6. Asset protection and estate planning. Wealth protection is as crucial as wealth creation. The rich, especially those with significant assets, often use debt as a shield against potential creditors or litigants. Imagine owning a pricey estate. By placing a mortgage on it, you deter potential litigants because the equity is reduced. Even if someone wins a lawsuit against you, there's less for them to claim. Moreover, in estate planning, having a loan can reduce estate taxes for their heirs. It's all about creating layers of protection around their wealth. Debt, when strategically used, can be a powerful shield. Number 7. The abundance versus scarcity mindset. Ever noticed how some people always see opportunities while others see barriers? This fundamental difference in perception often dictates one's financial journey. The rich operate with an abundance mindset. They believe there's plenty to go around, and this conviction allows them to take calculated risks like leveraging debt. On the other hand, the scarcity mindset focuses on limitations, often leading to missed opportunities. This isn't just about money, it's about life philosophy, and it's essential to understand this before diving into any financial strategy. Number 8. Continuous learning and adaptation. The world of finance is ever-evolving. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. The rich understand this. Their secret: never stop learning. Just as a tree grows and adapts to its environment, the wealthy continuously educate themselves, ensuring they're always ahead of the curve. So, if there's one piece of advice to take away, it's this: invest in yourself. Your mind is your greatest asset. And there you have it, 10 ways the rich utilize debt to amplify their wealth and protect their assets. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. While these strategies can be effective, they also come with their share of risks. The key lies in financial education and making informed decisions. After all, that's what we're all about here.